The future of tech is no longer in your pocket, it's on your face. In 2026, AI glasses are blending real-time intelligence, AR displays, and hands-free control into everyday life. In this video, we're breaking down the top AI glasses of 2026 and the devices shaping the next wave of wearable tech. The RayNeo X3 Pro lands right where AI glasses finally start feeling like regular gear, not some wild experiment. You pick them up and honestly, they look just like a pair of high-end glasses. No sci-fi vibe, nothing flashy. But there's a serious AR system running inside. What really makes the X3 Pro click is how smoothly it blends AI and AR, so it actually feels useful in daily life. The full-color micro-LED display with waveguide optics isn't just a party trick. Information isn't hovering in your face like some AR novelty. It's sharp, stable, and fits into your real surroundings. So you get things like navigation cues, translations, and AI prompts that show up clean without crowding your view. Snapdragon's AR1 platform powers everything, and you feel it. It's not just about looking good, the glasses actually react fast. Object recognition, spatial awareness, and real-time AI help pop up with barely any lag. So when you glance at something for instant context, your flow doesn't break. That's where RayNeo really starts to leave the competition, especially the ones that focus mostly on entertainment in the dust. Earlier smart glasses felt more like cool tech demos. The X3 Pro is different. It's built for people who plan to use them every day. It's not trying to kill your phone right away, but you'll definitely reach for it less. RayNeo X3 Pro goes after something practical, useful AI layered right onto the real world, and that's why it's a real sign of where wearable tech's heading. But while RayNeo is focused on bringing AI directly into your everyday environment, the next pair takes a completely different approach, one that turns almost any space into a digital workspace. XREAL Air 2 Ultra is one of those gadgets you get within seconds of putting them on. There's no pretending. It's a high-end spatial display ready to turn any spot into your personal workstation or entertainment zone. The Air 2 Ultra is all about immersion. With twin micro OLED screens, you're staring at a giant virtual display that feels pinned in place, like carrying a movie theater or second monitor with you wherever you go. That's a big deal, especially for multitaskers who want more screen real estate, developers going portable, or gamers plugging into a Steam Deck. Where XREAL really stands out is with its spatial tracking. Thanks to 6DoF, the display isn't just hovering, it stays rooted as you move. That extra sense of presence makes a big difference compared to simpler mirrored glasses. The Ultra proves what's possible when immersion comes first. But not everyone wants the most advanced setup available, and that's exactly where XREAL's next model starts to make a lot of sense. The XREAL One Pro is all about making spatial computing cleaner and easier to live with. It's not as intense as the Ultra series, but it fits smoothly into the same family. If the Air 2 Ultra throws you into a world of total immersion and complicated multi-screen setups, the One Pro feels like a smarter, more approachable place to start. You still get huge, crisp virtual displays thanks to its micro OLED panels, with sharp text, bold contrast, and pretty smooth motion. It doesn't matter if you're binge-watching, juggling different apps, or stretching your laptop workspace, the visuals hold up, even during long stretches. What really makes the One Pro stand out is how much more comfortable it is. The optics are tuned so your eyes don't get tired as fast, and the setup isn't as fussy as the top-of-the-line models. You need to set things up with a little intention, sure, but you're not constantly tweaking or adjusting just to get going. That's a big plus for anyone who wants XREAL level power but isn't ready to mess with all the extra layers and spatial tricks from the Ultra line. The One Pro hits that sweet spot where you can balance work and fun without stepping into anything too complicated. Viture Beast takes a totally different route from XREAL and RayNeo. It's not trying to layer your world with screens or turn your surroundings into a digital control room. It's here to make watching and playing as easy as it gets. Plug in your device and boom, you've got a big, clear virtual screen, no setup or fiddling required. You don't have to mess with calibration or spatial mapping, which is honestly a relief if you just want to relax. The visuals aren't hyper sharp or blindingly bright. Viture leans into comfort, so whether you're catching a movie, firing up a game, or using it on a trip, your eyes don't get burned out. It's built for chill sessions, not specs and numbers. That comfort-first philosophy helped Viture build a loyal following. The question was whether they could keep that simplicity while delivering a more premium experience. Viture Luma Ultra XR takes that easy and comfortable vibe from the Beast and steps things up a notch. It gives you better visuals and a more premium feel, but without making things heavier or harder to use. The screen here is micro OLED again, but sharper and more colorful than before. You can use it for editing docs, watching high-res movies, or really any task that needs clear text and a steady picture. It stays consistent, so even long work sessions don't feel like a strain. Not every company believes smart glasses should revolve around virtual screens. Some think the real opportunity is hiding information in plain sight. Meta's Ray-Ban display smart glasses are probably the best-known mix of style and tech out there. What really makes them stand out isn't the flashy features, it's the way they look like regular shades but pack a smart system inside. The main thing you'll notice is the tiny micro display that pops up notifications, navigation, messages, and AI replies right in your line of sight. Earlier smart glasses felt awkward or heavy, but these are designed to blend in, so you don't feel out of place wearing them anywhere. If you're enjoying this so far, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next breakdown, because we're just getting started with how far AI glasses are about to go. The Oakley Meta Vanguard represents a major shift in the smart glasses market. While most brands focus on virtual displays, productivity, or entertainment, Oakley and Meta are targeting something different: performance and outdoor lifestyles. Designed around Oakley's signature athletic styling, the Vanguard looks more like high-performance sports eyewear than a piece of futuristic technology. That alone gives it an advantage. One of the biggest challenges facing smart glasses is convincing people to wear them in public, and Oakley already has decades of credibility among athletes, cyclists, runners, and outdoor enthusiasts. Performance-focused wearables are one path forward. The next brand takes the opposite approach, proving that sometimes the smartest technology is the technology you barely notice. Even Reality's G2 goes in a totally different direction from most smart glasses. Instead of aiming for big immersive AR visuals, it sticks to quiet, practical features that just fit into daily life. The display is super minimal. No clutter, no digital layers everywhere. You only get tiny bits of info when you need them, like a nudge for a notification or a navigation tip. It's supportive but not distracting. What really sets the G2 apart is its restraint. It doesn't bombard you with options. The AI is tuned to give you information that actually makes sense for the moment, not random stuff you have to deal with. Subtle assistance is impressive, but some users still want a larger visual experience without stepping into full-blown AR territory. Rokid Max 2 stands out as one of the most refined options in AR glasses right now, especially for anyone who doesn't want their tech getting in the way. At heart, the idea is simple. Plug into nearly anything, and you get a big, bright, floating screen. Sharp, steady, easy to use. But the real story with Rokid is how it quietly goes further without ever turning complicated. The visuals come alive thanks to a micro OLED setup that delivers rich color and consistent brightness. Movies, spreadsheets, games on a handheld, they all look big and immersive. But you don't have to fuss with tricky calibration or extra setup steps. It just works. When you stack it up, Rokid feels less locked down than XREAL, more immersive than Viture, and simply more entertainment-focused than RayNeo. It isn't here to reinvent spatial computing, it just nails the portable big-screen experience. Rokid focuses heavily on displays, but the next pair suggests that smart glasses may ultimately be about intelligence first and screens second. HTC Vive Eagle signals that HTC still believes in wearables, but this time, they're aiming for something lighter, smarter, and meant for everyday life. Forget their bulky VR headsets for a minute. Eagle is all about AI assistance, real-world usefulness, and comfort that lasts all day. Instead of shoving you into structured menus, Vive Eagle's strength is its AI assistant. Cameras built into the frame take things further. You can grab quick photos, identify objects, or get info about whatever's in front of you, turning the glasses into a sort of enhanced awareness tool, not just a floating screen. As AI becomes more capable, another question emerges. Do smart glasses even need displays at all? Solo's AirGo 3 throws out the usual playbook and puts audio and practical AI at the center. Instead of chasing giant AR displays or flashy visuals, AirGo 3 is all about keeping you connected, guided, and assisted through your day without ever weighing you down. It acts like your sidekick. Hands-free voice control, fast translations, turn-by-turn directions, and constant communication. All of it packed into a frame you could wear from morning to night without the urge to take them off. Battery life is impressive too. You get hours of use on a single charge, so you aren't stuck searching for an outlet before the day's done. If you're always moving, commuting, traveling, on your feet, the AirGo 3 is built for you. For some people, audio-first wearables are enough. For others, the ideal future sits somewhere between intelligent assistance and immersive visuals. The RayNeo Air 4 Pro isn't just another pair of display glasses. It marks a real shift towards something that's both powerful and comfortable for daily wear. You don't get lost in complicated AR overlays or have to fumble through futuristic controls. Instead, the Air 4 Pro delivers a clean, floating virtual screen that looks and feels as natural as using a big monitor at home, but you can take it anywhere. The Air 4 Pro signals a new direction for wearable displays. It's not about showy features or eye-catching tricks. It's about making your tech blend into life, one session at a time. RayNeo aims for balance, but the next company is pushing much closer to the vision many people imagine when they hear the phrase augmented reality. If you're looking for glasses that get closer to real standalone AR, take a look at the INMO Air 3 AR+. Unlike simple screen mirroring models, this one packs its own processor inside, so you can run apps and AR experiences, no phone or laptop required. The major highlight is its full-color waveguide system, which means digital stuff actually appears in your line of sight right over the world around you. Apps, notifications, and AR objects can float in your space for a truly interactive feel. INMO stands out for trying to break free from smartphones. Most competing AR glasses still lean heavily on external devices, while INMO pushes the package closer to self-contained. Building standalone AR glasses is difficult. Building an entire ecosystem around them is an even bigger challenge. Mazu StarV takes a different tack. It's all about building an ecosystem. Here, hardware is just one piece of a larger puzzle. You don't see wild AR overlays, but you get slick, OLED-powered displays for virtual screens, great for watching movies or getting work done. Compared with other brands, Mazu StarV is a hybrid. It brings together productivity, entertainment, and intelligence, but doesn't try to do too much. The goal is being connected, having everything work together, rather than overloading your senses. While some brands keep adding more features, the next contender is betting that less can actually feel smarter. Halliday AI Smart Glasses go minimal. If you want something subtle, this is it. The design is unassuming, lightweight, and easy to wear all day without attracting attention. What's special here isn't the display, it's how information appears just for you, quietly, right in your line of sight. Get a notification, a translation, or an AI-powered reminder exactly when you need it, with zero clutter. Everything is built around comfort and discretion. It helps you, but never takes over or tries to wow with flashy graphics. Halliday acts like a digital inside voice, gently making life easier. Minimalism has its advantages, but if you're still chasing bigger displays and stronger immersion, the next glasses take us back into familiar territory. XREAL Air 2 Pro takes the company's display-first approach and refines it. You still get a powerful micro OLED display that can fill your view with a massive, sharp screen for whatever task is at hand. But this version pulls back slightly on complexity, making it genuinely approachable. XREAL Air 2 Pro is more structured. You spend a minute or two on setup, but then you unlock a more advanced multi-screen environment, especially useful if you're serious about productivity. It feels more immersive than Viture, and more tightly engineered than RayNeo, while being clearly faster and more capable than a minimalist like Halliday. Most of the glasses we've covered are designed for consumers. The next pair was built for environments where performance matters far more than entertainment. If you step into the world of Lenovo ThinkReality AR glasses, you see pretty quickly this isn't about fun or flashy entertainment. These are built for work, not binging shows, but getting the job done in offices, warehouses, or out in the field. Lenovo leaned all the way into the enterprise side, making something for people who need information right now, in the real world, while they're doing actual hands-on work. With ThinkReality, the focus is clear and practical. You're not watching huge floating screens or marveling at fancy graphics. Instead, you get data and instructions projected where you need them, like repair steps for technicians or shipment info for warehouse workers, all right in your line of sight. Everything prioritizes legibility and accuracy, so the graphics aren't showy, but you can read them easily and trust they're in the right place. Text is crisp, everything stays stable, so you're not left squinting or double-checking. TCL's RayNeo Air 3S and Air 3 Pro land at an interesting spot. They're affordable, simple, and surprisingly handy for anyone curious about wearable displays. While higher-end versions like the Air 4 Pro are about pushing quality and polish, these models focus on just making AR displays easy and approachable. Their biggest strength? They're the gateway drug to wearable screens. Once you've experienced media on a personal floating display, it's not a huge leap to get curious about the flagship stuff down the road. As smart glasses become more affordable, entirely new audiences begin entering the market. MadGaze Glow and Glow Plus don't act like traditional smart glasses. You can tell they're built with experimentation in mind. Instead of chasing high-end mixed reality bragging rights, they focus on a simple, affordable experience with just enough AR to feel genuinely useful. You get basic, glanceable info, like notifications, reminders, or simple overlays, without jumping into full-on immersive worlds. If you've never owned wearable tech, and perhaps no company understands mass-market technology better than the brand closing out our list, Xiaomi Smart Glasses are all about keeping things minimal. They don't try to pull you into a fake world or cover your vision with AR movie screens. They just gently add a bit of extra intelligence to the glasses you're already used to. At first glance, they look almost like regular eyeglasses. The smart bits, tiny cameras, mics, and displays blend in so they're nearly invisible. Their goal isn't show-off tech. It's to make life a little smoother. What's interesting is how Xiaomi plays it cool here. They're not aiming at the high-end AR crowd. They want to keep things affordable, easy to use, and plug seamlessly into everything else in Xiaomi's device ecosystem. In 2026, AI glasses are turning into a new layer of everyday computing, blending AR displays and real-time AI into something you can actually wear and use without thinking about it.